Today, I'm at Eat Good Cafe in Liberty Lake. Here, boxes are being packed full of fresh local food by a company called Share Farm.
So we source products out of the Pacific Northwest region and then use an online marketplace to create an access to those products to local consumers.
Vincent Peake founded Share Farm alongside popular chef Adam Hegstead. They and their team run Share Farm kind of like Amazon. Customers can use the app to have food delivered right from a local Washington farm.
Local food shouldn't be a problem to access. It's not a luxury. We think everyone should have access to local food, and so that's really what gives us gratification doing what we're doing, is creating access to that food, transparency in the food chain.
In addition to Share Farm's usual operation, they're also reaching out to help their community. Using a USDA grant under the Farmers to Families Food Box program, they're packing boxes full of fresh Washington food to give to families impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic.
We're taking the regional products, sourcing them here at our location, same day delivery from the farm, picked the day before, and then delivering those goods directly to the consumer's address. With us, we've kind of leveraged some partnerships using Spokane Food Fighters to get that food directly to people's homes.
My name is Marcus Riccelli. I'm the founder of Spokane Food Fighters.
Spokane Food Fighters is a volunteer organization that delivers food to those in need. And when the recent pandemic left many families in need of food assistance, Spokane Food Fighters was born.
We had hosts of newly food insecure people because they were unemployed, and we wanted to do something about it. We believe that food is health, and in a public health crisis, food shouldn't be forgotten. And so we knew a lot of people were struggling.
I mean, we're delivering them artisan products, handmade, handcrafted goods. They're ecstatic to have this, gift, essentially, that's supplied to them. So they're really happy to get it.
In addition to helping the community, the program also helps local farmers.
For the farmer, we're giving that benefit of buying their entire crop every single week. So they don't have to worry about where it's going. We're taking that crop, buying all of it, delivering it direct to the consumer.
When COVID happened, we wanted to do something to give back to the community.
Robbie Catherine Anthony helped develop the Spokane Food Fighters. She's also the Chief Technology Officer for Share Farm.
We figured we could maybe create something that could actually address the current moment. And then I just fell in love with it. To be able to give people food, it's such a necessity.
Well, I couldn't let everybody around me do all the work, so it was time to do my part and get to packing boxes.
Tomas is on microgreens.
Look out. Those microgreens were given out with love. Once we've completed packing up the food, the Spokane Food Fighters put as many boxes as they can into their vehicles and deliver that food directly to the homes of those who need it.
They'll take maybe an hour and a half to move 450 boxes out of here, and maybe within an hour, those boxes are delivered.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty fresh.
There's no incentive for them besides the gratification that they're doing good.
It's emotional when you hear from people who talk about their desperation and how this is getting them by. You talk about a woman who shared with us that she's unplugged all of her appliances except for her microwave because she has to keep her electrical bills down. People who can't get out because their children are at risk.
I get a lot of satisfaction out of solving a problem, and food's really relational to all of us. It's foundational. Everyone needs food.
I think this model is here to stay, creating truly farm to table. We've talked about that. That's been a buzzword for a long time, but this partnership, especially between Share Farm and Spokane Food Fighters, is evidence that that's no longer empty words.